Ash and Fire, the science behind Japanese slash and burn agriculture. In the mountains of Japan, there was a time each year when fire would sweep across the slopes. This was not destruction but tradition, a practice known as slash and burn. Why did people set fire to the forest? One powerful reason was to capture potassium. Trees and grasses absorb minerals from the soil as they grow. When burned, those minerals remain in the ash. Among them, potassium was precious. It strengthens plants, helps them grow strong stalks, and improves fruit and seed production. But in mountainous regions, potassium was not easy to come by. So, burning the forest became a way to return this vital nutrient to the earth. Yet fire served another purpose. It killed insects and their eggs hidden in the soil or in fallen leaves. Before pesticides existed, this was one of the few ways farmers could protect crops from infestations. It was a natural method, driven by observation and necessity. Once the flames died, ash covered the mountain floor. That ash was spread over new fields to enrich the soil. In this way, slash and burn was not wasteful destruction. It was a cycle, turning the forest's growth into food for future harvests. Another small but important use of ash came during planting. Potatoes, for example, are often cut into pieces before being planted, but those fresh cut surfaces are full of moisture and nutrients, which invite bacteria and fungi that cause rot. Farmers learned to dust the cut surfaces with ash. The ash, with its alkaline nature, helped prevent decay, protecting the seed pieces until new shoots could grow. These practices might seem simple, but they reveal something deeper about traditional life. Nothing was wasted. Ash from the burned forest returned to the soil. Leftover scraps from harvests became fuel. Everything was part of a circle. Even a handful of ash carried wisdom passed down through generations. It speaks of a time when human life and nature worked in harmony. A time when people understood that survival and abundance depended on respecting what the land could give and what it needed in return.